I will make now into round shape, and then I will put it in the sun. And the taste is like, what you call this? Tamarind candy. So you can eat also like that. You can eat little. This is, I did not put sugar here, only water when I'm cooking this one. So I will start now to make shape this one. Now we'll start now like that. Then we'll put here in tray. This is the way they make hair for long preservative. Even 1 year, 2 years, this one cannot be spoiled. And when it's dry, this one, then this one uh, they are making or adding for as chutney. I'm I'm also making this kind of apricot chutney. So one tray is finished. Now we get another tray. This is like tamarind candy. You can make this one and wrap in colored plastic. Yung tamarind ba? Yung sampalok na candy. Masarap. This is tasty. And you can sell also this one. But how I can sell in Philippines? If timing na uuwi ako, magdala sana ako nito. Kaya lang mahal ticket uuwi. My last vacation is last 2019. Ilang years na. Tayo na! Keep that. Silang na. Ilang years na 19, 25, 6 years ago. I don't know when I chance again to go Philippines for vacation. pag may pera na. But malabo, impossible. So, ayan. 6 hair and 6 also hair. So, marami pa, oh. Now, I have to put again hair in trays because 2 trays already occupied. Langga ada raw. Langga, si langga lumabas. After paliguan ko siya, I let him to take a bath. Langga, come inside, hot outside. This is like really taste of tamarind candy. Tamarind, yung sampalok, I think when they make also, I think they add also sugar or no sugar added. And then they wrap in yung colored plastic ba na pangbalot. May blue, may red, may yellow ba yun? Masarap sana ito ibenta ba sa school. Kasi apricot ito. Not, kasi sa Pilipinas, in Philippines, there is no available fruits of apricots. So I'm sure if I will sell this one, in Philippines, of course, everybody like it. But here, because this is very common here, fruits in Pakistan, especially summer season. So, baliwala sa kanila. Dito kasi, here, there is no tree of tamarind. So, na-miss ko din ang sampalok. So many fruits here in Philippines na not available. So many fruits from Philippines not available here in Pakistan. Like this tamarind, this jackfruit or langka. I think in some other places here in Pakistan nationwide, like in Karachi, I think there are somebody's I know before that somebody plant this jackfruit in hot place. They have this what you call this jackfruit or langka and papaya. There is also in Rawalpindi. They also plant. And this banana cannot be here in my place because here in my place is very cold, especially winter season. So, snow falling talaga dito sa aking lugar. So, this is last. Ayan, last na ito. Ayan, last. Making sakki from dried apricots. Then I cook yesterday. Now I have to form now like this. Like this. Yan. And this one. Ayan. Now we can make hole inside center in center like that. Yan lahat. Ito. And then I will make dry outside over there where I make dry before this apricots, plums over there. So dalhin ko na doon. First day of sun drying. So maybe 7 days, 1 week, it will become dry this one successive days. And tomorrow I have to change this side. Because nice weather, it's a sunny day.